No, no, no. It's really cold. Don't. Here you go. Okay. No, no, no. Here. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, go now. Okay, go now. Chit chat with. Okay. You have to put your feet up.
I know, Mom. It's
Okay. Don't go. Like sit down. Like higaka.
Okay.
Higaka. Yeah. Give me hold. I'll hold it. See. Well, if you can help your father the earlier, then that'd be nice. But nobody wanna help. It's- Come on, Jilana. Let's go help Dad. You like that one? It's way better. Alaska. It's cold, anak. Come on. Let's go get the other one. There you go. We have to order the water heater. It's not yet coming. See, look at that. Come on. You wanna go get your pants so you can do your See, I told you. You have to sit there first. Oh, I'm so glad you're wearing that short. Good job. Oh, you're wearing my green. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, wow. You have to sit down on the thingy though. Oh, that's really perfect on you. Oh, oh, it's cold. Yeah, you can.
the other one's fine.
You have to be sitting at the front, at the like higaka dyan. See what I mean? Julana, if this one are available, nobody's gonna. Okay, let me hold Julana. Let me hold the. Let me see, Julana. Okay. Stop, stop, stop. Don't do that. Come on. Julana. Okay, Jade. Okay. I'll hold it. Higa ka dyan. Well, okay, yeah, that's better. You should have bring your book in with you.
No,
No, it's not.
it's so high.
It's not. You're not gonna fall in. That's what it was made for.
I feel like a child.
What? It's cold.
My butt's still.
Put your feet up. You can put your feet up in there in the. Put your feet up there. Don't go down. Hello, Luis. No, we need the towel. Did you bring your towel? Okay, good. Jilana, don't go there without mommy. You want me to hold it?